Hi guys, I'm Jazba. I'm a makeup artist and beauty blogger, and today I'm going to be taking you through Mascara 101. So the first step when applying your mascara is actually to curl your lashes first. Now, a little hack if you want to make your eyelash curling go even further is to actually grab a blow dryer, put it on a gentle warm setting, and heat up the end of your curling iron for about 5 seconds. So what you want to do when curling your lashes is bring your eyelash curler very close to the base of your lashes and hold tight for about 5 seconds. Because you've already heated it up with a blow dryer, it's going to work even faster, and then gently release. If you have long lashes, you can do a second little crimp right at the tip, let go, and voila. So today I'm going to be using the Threesome Mascara, and the first step when you're applying your mascara is to remove the wand very carefully from the tube, but don't pump it in and out of the tube. If you do that, essentially you're going to be pumping air into it and drying out your product faster. So just pull it out and you can remove the excess just on the tip there, and then you bring your wand right to the base of your lashes, and you want to gently wiggle back and forth from the base of your lash, working your way outward. An extra little step that you can do to make them even curlier as you go up is to kind of twist the wand. So I'm going to go at the base, go up, and be turning the wand at the same time. What that's going to do is grab every little hair, give it maximum pull and maximum curl. Now when you're ready to do your bottom lashes, a great tip is to turn the brush vertical like this and work it against the lashes, almost like you're coloring them in a little bit. That way, if you have the wand horizontal, it can kind of smudge against your skin. This way you can avoid that. Now, if you want to add a second coat of mascara over the top of your first, I would recommend waiting like 5 seconds or so, letting it dry down a bit. Grab a little comb or a spoolie and comb through the lashes so there's no clumping, and then go ahead and add that second layer over the top. Wait another 5 seconds and you're good to go. Can you see the difference between my two sets of lashes? So this eye looks opened up, the lashes are fanned out, and this eye, I think it still looks a little bit asleep, so I'm going to apply some mascara on it. So if you have a tendency to get your mascara like on the skin of your mobile lid, I have a great little trick for helping you avoid that. You want to grab a little compact mirror, and instead of holding it right up in front of your face, to do your mascara like this, which would, give you more of a chance for getting your mascara to hit the skin, actually hold the mirror down a little bit so you're looking down and you can see your lashes there and lift them up with the wand. So with the mirror down here, I can reach under my lashes, do my little wiggle trick, turn the brush at the same time, and you see it's so far away from hitting my skin that everything will stay clean. To finish up on the lower lashes, I wouldn't recommend holding the mirror down here because obviously your lashes are going to be touching your skin, so kind of do the opposite. You want to hold the mirror up a little bit, turn the brush vertical, and just color them in like we did on the other eye. And that's my look complete. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon to stay notified for updates from MyGlamm.